waters and enjoy the sunny weather. Summer brings back the hot days, and the sun warms with its rays. In the water we can play, and then relax in the shade. Spring and summer, autumn, winter, the 4 seasons in the year. Everyone can tell a story, bringing joy to everybody. In the autumn, falling leaves cover up the parks and streets. Now the holidays are over, and it's back to school. Now it's colder. In the winter comes the snow, and while we are warm at home, decorating merrily, putting up the Christmas tree. Spring and summer, autumn, winter, the 4 seasons in the year. Everyone can tell a story, bringing joy to everybody. Spring and summer, autumn, winter, the 4 seasons in the year. Everyone can tell a story, bringing joy to everybody. Spring and summer, autumn, winter, the 4 seasons in the year. Everyone can tell a story, bringing joy to everybody. Every spring brings lots of flowers, filling life with lots of colors.